I knew since the day I met you, this day would come.
I can't believe that this day is finally here and we get to make our love official in front of everyone who is dear to us.
Your smile gets me every time. It lights up the room and melts my heart. Being with you has brought me the most joy in life.
Thank you for being you, for every part of your soul that you've shared with me, for always being the calm and down-to-earth one and making me feel beautiful every day.
I look forward to building a home and starting a family with my best friend. It won't always be easy, but together we can do everything and anything. Thank you for making this the easiest decision of my life.
When I met Diana, she had just moved from New York to Florida, and we found ourselves sitting across from each other in our elective class. Little did I know that beautiful, sweet girl that I was sitting across from would become one of my lifelong friends.
Diana's lived up to all our hopes and dreams, and she has set goals for herself and followed them through. She adapted to life in the Windy City admirably, and I couldn't be more proud.
Diana told me that she had met this very tall, very handsome Midwestern guy through her group of friends.
EDC Chicago, 2013. This was the first time I ever saw Kyle and Diana together. I saw the way that Kyle was looking at Diana. I had a feeling right there that she was going to be the one.
Amazing. Love is so good.
Gathered here today to honor and affirm your genuine commitment to each other's happiness. There truly is nothing so powerful as love. The tears and smiles and laughs we will share this day are all from the power of love.
I, Diana, take you, Kyle, to be my husband.
I, Kyle, take you, Diana, to be my wife.
I vow to honor you for all that you are and will become.
Taking pride in who we both are, both separately and together.
I promise from this day forward
To be grateful for our love and our life.
to be generous with my time, my energy, and my affection.
To be patient with you and with myself.
To fill our life with adventure and our home with laughter.
To encourage you to grow as an individual and inspire you to do so.
to love you completely,
to share my life with yours,
to build our dreams together,
to support through times of trouble.
and rejoice with you in times of happiness.
I promise to give you respect, love, and loyalty.
Through all the trials and triumphs of our lives together,
This commitment is made in love,
kept in faith,
lived in hope.
and made new every day of our lives.
These things we pledge before our friends and family.
It gives me the greatest pleasure to present for the first time Mr. and Mrs. Diana and Kyle Hardy.
Father in heaven, what an awesome day you have made. What an awesome couple you have made. Lord, I don't think you ever have any bad days, but I'm thinking 5 years ago when you brought Diana and Kyle together, it must have been one of your best days ever because you just knew their relationship would be special. You just knew that they'd be here tonight.
Even when she told me the story about the day the two of you got engaged in Iceland and how nothing was open for food when you got back into town from your hike and you only had one cookie to split between the two of you for dinner, Diana described this to me as being the best night of her life. So if being on the brink of starvation and rationing food with you in what I could imagine are freezing cold temperatures as the best night of her life, then I know she's in love, and I think you two will be able to survive anything together.
To love each other an hour more each day. Just Kyle, Diana, the world, and the sunrise. At the end of each day, fall asleep and dream with a purpose to awake by each other's side where you feel most alive. Live the adventure of loving each other. It makes the world right.
can't wait to continue to build this incredible life with you.
There is no one in this world I would rather be with to show up late to everything too. I love you.
I love you too.